Here are 5 ways of making money online in 2022. There are so many ways of earning income online as more and more businesses turn their attention towards this awesome thing named internet. And in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 ways of earning money online. Number 1 is freelancing. The first method of making money online is freelancing work. Freelancers are people who knows doing some kind of online work like video editing and writing articles, social media growth. Oh, by the way, I have a video on how you can get this kind of job over here and many other things. You can find this kind of online work on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and so on. Number 2, blogging. If you are a person who likes writing, then this is your way of earning money online. All you have to do is writing articles and making them as entertaining as you can in order to make people love them enough to read more and more of them in the suggested menu. I will make a video about how you can make your own blog and monetize it. If it's out already, check it out in the description below. Making a blog is highly paid, and once your blog gets enough traction, the amounts of money you can make are outstanding. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting other people's products and getting a cut of that sale. A lot of companies have this, and it's a win-win method because they get more customers and a promoter gets some money by just getting some traffic to that product. A lot of businesses have affiliate programs. Just look up on their websites, there is usually a page named affiliates where they will explain how it works and how much money you can make from a sale. There are also affiliate websites that allow you to promote products from a lot of companies that became their partners, so it's easier for you to find the products more suitable for you to promote. Such websites are ClickBank, Digistore24 and others like them. Number 4, making videos. This is a cool way of earning money. You can create videos on YouTube, for example, and once you reach the minimum YouTube standards, which are 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, you can actually monetize your channel and earn money from this. However, you need a lot of views in order to make a living from this. This is a long-term method and requires a lot of consistency. You won't get the results in a week or a month or even a few months. So if you're patient enough, you can actually make this. Number 5, gaming. Yes, you can earn money by playing games, as this industry continues to grow every day, and there are some ways you can get money out of gaming. One of them is making gaming videos, gameplays or scenes, whatever, and just post them on websites like YouTube, or you could do in-game businesses. Metaverse is a great example. There are gamers who sold in-game stuff for real money and became millionaires. So if you like playing games, you can turn this passion into an income that could actually change your life. These are 5 methods you can use to earn money online. If you know any other methods, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesomeness.